We are manufacturing electrical panel also in Nigeria. We have panel assembly unit in Nigeria where we assemble all types of panels as per customer. I contacted Rajat and requested him to make website for our company and help us to do digital marketing. Rajat went one step ahead even and collect feedback from all the customer who come through website, and due to that feedback we will able to improve ourselves. We are really thankful to Rajat that in a span of 10 years we are one of the reputed EPC engineering company in Nigeria. Rajat has a vast knowledge of digital marketing as well as customer support. I will highly recommend Rajat for these type of jobs and wish him best of luck. Thank you.